check this out. I want to show you on TikTok you can make money every day going live. I just went live for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Let me show you how much money I made live. This is my live summary. I got over 14,000 diamonds from my gifters. These are people who sent me gifts, which is real money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people sent me gifts. One person sent me 9,000. Another person sent me 4,000. Look at that, 14,000 diamonds. That's real right there. I was live for 1 hour and 20 minutes and got over 14,000 diamonds. Now, how much is that in real money? It's about $70. In 1 hour and 20 minutes going live on TikTok, made $70. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can cash out your money from your live call. I just went live for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Watch this, guys. Go to your account, click on the 3 buttons on top, go down to balance, click on balance, and then you're going to click on your live gifts. It's going to take you to another website right there. There it is. I made $90 on 1 live call for 1 hour and 20 minutes, 37,774 diamonds. Click withdraw. Now I'm going to transfer this into, it says network is busy. Please try again. Let me try it again. All right. Okay, there we go. Boom. It says withdraw the money. There's my PayPal account, $90.52. I'm going to withdraw that. That just transferred the money. Confirm withdraw. That just sent $90.52 to my PayPal account. There it is. Boom. There you go, guys. So if you want to learn how to make money on TikTok, contact me right now on WhatsApp. Get me on a live call. I'll show you how to do it. Now I'm going to show you proof. This is my PayPal account. They just transferred the $90.52 in 1 second to my PayPal account. Here's my PayPal account, and there is the transfer. $90.52. There's true, real proof, guys. TikTok is a money-making machine if you learn how to do it. So I want you to contact me right now below this video in the description. If I'm on YouTube, Facebook, whatever, contact me if you want to make money every day on TikTok. You can get my WhatsApp number here or in the link below. If I'm on wherever, guys, you can contact me, send me a direct message, send me a messenger, send me a WhatsApp if you want to make money every day on TikTok. I guarantee it. I just showed you the proof.